Hey there, students, parents, and educators. This is a preview video. You're not logged into your VIP account, but I want to give you a teaser of what you'll see in this set of video lessons that you're going to have here. Social media challenges. We think they're actually going to be very fun as a family, but we're going to talk about a little cautionary tale as well. Here's what we're covering in this course. What do students think of them? We have a student perspective video that's super interesting. A bunch of high schoolers go, this is all the challenges we're aware of, and here's why we like some of these and what we don't like other ones. Super interesting, and it's not from an adult, it's from an actual student or a series of students. Next, and you can show that in the classroom or at home with students. We're also going to talk about the pros and cons of social media challenges. We have guest experts, psychologists, therapists, counselors, all these different people saying, here's what's going on and how it works. In addition, we've got student, parent, and educator only content, and that can be shown in the classroom. We also have a parent and educator training module that's pretty powerful as well if you want to watch that. Let's talk about, though, first, even though you're not logged in, what are some of the pros and cons? Where we're going to allude to the pros, a little bit of teamwork, spreading cheer and good humor, feeling included, supporting a cause. We're also going to look in this program at some of the cons. The injury that can happen, and we're going to watch a video together of the self-harm and how it, unfortunately, yikes, what happens. And then the damage to personal and public property. We're going to look at school and legal repercussions as well. And we're going to look at students' futures. How does this change them? How can we do it in a positive way? And believe it or not, good social media challenges can help you get into your dream college, career, and everywhere else. And bad ones can do the opposite. They can keep us from getting to where we want to go. Parents, you can learn more by scanning that QR code or going to smartsocial.com VIP or talking to your school district, and they'll usually get you a pass to this. And schools and districts, let us help you reach your parents. All you got to do is roll over the top and click partner, or just go to smartsocial.com partner or scan that QR code. Thanks so much for watching this. We hope you'll log in, become a member, ask your school, and they'll probably set you up with some kind of a pass. I'm Josh Oakes, the founder of smartsocial.com. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.